Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. Today I shall solve for class 11 Maths exercise 3.3 question number 4 and 5 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question 3 is prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosec pi 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. So we are taking LHS to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So we are writing LHS is equal to cot pi by 6 whole square. This can be also written like this. This cosec. Now 5 pi by 6, for this angle we have no value. So we have to make some arrangement to find how this value of 5 pi by 6 we can get. So for that we shall split it into two parts. So how we can split it? Suppose this is 5x, this is 6, denominator is 6. So first we shall write the denominator 6 and pi. Now it is 5 pi. So by subtracting 1 pi we can get 5 pi, and now put 6 here. Okay, plus if it is 7 pi, so what we shall do? 6 pi plus 1 pi. If it is 5 pi, so 6 pi denominator and pi will give here, and according to this value we shall adjust this minus or plus, right? So 3 into tan pi by 6 square. Now cot pi by 6 is equal to value of cot pi by 6. We know from table that it is root 3. So we are writing for this place root 3 square plus cosec 6 pi minus pi by 6 means this 6 is dividing 6 pi also and pi also. So by splitting we can write it like 6 pi by 6 minus pi by 6. So this 6 and this 6 will be cancelled, and it will be plus 3. 10 pi by 6 will be opposite of cot pi by 6. So tan pi by 6 will be 1 by root 3. Okay, so we are writing 1 by root 3 square. Right, this is, so this root will be cancelled by a square, so it will be 3 plus cosec pi minus 6, sorry, pi by 6 plus 3 into this root will be cancelled by a square, 1 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. Now 3 and this cosec pi minus pi by 6 will be positive sign or negative signs. This we have to judge. So this is a quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is second one. This is third. This is fourth. We are knowing. So pi is here. So cosec pi is here, and minus pi by 6. So minus will be clockwise. So it will fall in second quadrant, and in second quadrant value of sine and cosec is positive. So we shall write here positive plus cosec pi by 6 plus 1. This one will be here. So 3 and cosec pi by 6 is equal to 2. This is the value in table. So plus 2 plus 1. 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So this became equal to right hand side 6. So we can write hence LHS is equal to RHS proved. Right? Second question is question 4th. Prove that 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10. In this question, pi value of pi by 4 we can easily get from table. Yeah, we are knowing it. Pi by 3 we can also know the value, but 3 pi by 4 it is not given in any table. We are not knowing it. So for this we shall do a special arrangement by means by splitting 3 pi by 4. So LHS will be 2 into sine. So this denominator is 4. So first you write 4 pi, right? And this is 3 pi, so we should deduct 1 pi here, so it will automatically become 3 pi. Write here 4 again, plus 2 into cos pi by 4 square plus 2 sec pi by 3 square, right? So it will be 2 into, now this 4 pi minus pi will be splitted, means this 4 is dividing 4 pi and this pi also, so we shall split this one. Sine 4 pi by 4 minus pi by 4, we can write this in this way, plus 2, and cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. This is the value of cos pi by 4, so we shall write here will be 1 by root 2 square plus 2, and sec pi by 3 is value, it's 2, right? So these are the value of trigonometrical angles, so we shall write a 2 into 2 square, so it will be 2, and this will be, this 4 and this 4 will be cut, so sine pi minus pi by 4 here, and plus 2 into 1 by 2, because this root will be cancelled by a square, and plus 2 into 4, 2 square is equal to 4, so we shall write here 2 into, now the sign will be plus or minus, we shall put plus sign or minus sign for this sign, so we can judge it by this quadrant. This is 1, this is 2 quadrant, this is 3, and this is 4 1, and this is pi, this place is for pi, this is 2 pi, we are knowing, so this is pi, and minus pi by 4, so minus will be in clockwise direction, and pi by 4 will fall in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cos value is always positive, sine and cosec value is always positive, so it will be positive, so we shall write here sine pi by 4 plus this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, 1 and 2 and 4 8, and now sine pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. Here it is sine square, so it will be a square here also, sorry, a square here, a square here, so it will be a square here also. In question it is 2 sine square 3 by pi, so it will be a square everywhere here. So 2 into 1 by root 2 square for this place, plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, so it will be 2 into 1 by 2 square will be cancelled by root 1 by 2 plus 9, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, so it will be 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, and this is the value of RHS. 10 is here, so we can write hence LHS is equal to RHS proved. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe, and if you have any difficulty, you write in comment box, I will give its answer.